Alright, today we're going to bring a bathroom fixture, and this is perfect for your toilet. Now, you do require to have cold and hot water on this one because it does have actual pipe, and that will directly connect it to your sink. Alright, it does have a long hose, so you could connect it underneath your sink and split the ends. Now, this is a bidet, alright, that you can use it for yourself, or you can use it to clean your bathroom too. And you guys see, this is very strong, very powerful. It's just a click away, and there's no nozzle control in the front that you have to have a little flathead here if you want to control the actual flow. But this is very simple. It has cold and hot, and then you can control the actual flow of the water one way or another. All right, up and down is the flow, the distinguish the cold and the hot, and up and then sideways is the actual flow of the water. Now, you do need the actual connections underneath your sink, and you need an adapter. There are also included some templates that you can set up for. Everything's included in here, including the plumber's tape and the tools and the Allen wrench that you're going to require to open this up. So let's test it out and see how it works and how powerful it is. All right, we're going to test it out in our bathtub because these are strong, and I don't want to reinstall it underneath my toilet after I install it. So let's go ahead and test it out here so you guys can see how powerful this little thing is. If this could be used for cleaning around the actual toilet, your sinks, and also for yourself. So let's go ahead and test it out. So we'll put this down a little bit, and if you guys can see, it's very quiet. Look at this, very powerful. You can even clean up certain things in here. Look at that. Really powerful. Clean up some of the mess you have. So I like it. Underneath, very good for cleaning. Clean yourself, clean your toilet, your sinks. Have it very convenient. So very simple. Hope you guys enjoy the video.